You've heard me time and time again at these briefings talk about the seriousness of high-speed racing, high-speed driving.
It's a message that Sioux Falls police have been stressing for years. Early Wednesday morning, that warning became reality when the driver of a motorcycle struck a parked car during what's being called a street racing event. He died from his injuries.
This is why we continue to take enforcement actions.
According to police, this particular race had a crowd of spectators. Police Chief John Toombs spoke about the efforts being taken by officers to curb excessive speeding, but he says these incidents often boil down to personal responsibility.
We've put increased saturations out. We wrote record number of tickets, focused, concentrated efforts on certain parts of town, and the reality is that this comes down to individual choice at times too.
According to Chief Toombs, the city has seen record-high stretches for speeding tickets and DUIs. Saturation efforts alone made up for 300 citations issued so far. Chief Toombs says the department is working to find ways to impose stricter rules for high-speed racing and regular offenders.
On the phone this morning already with our state's attorney and speaking with other law enforcement partners, what do we have to do legislatively to find solutions for this?
Ultimately, the answer could come from here.
We're already starting the conversation about legislation and really look for the next year within peer and what we can do internally to say here's the consequences for this behavior, because we don't want it to reach this point. We don't want it to reach the point where lives are lost.